Hello everyone. Today I start my new video of storytelling on my YouTube channel Mal Living. The story belongs to South Indian movie Kantara. The story starts in 1847. There lived a king that has a great kingdom as well as lovely wife and child, but could not find peace. He set out a journey to discover true happiness and come upon a holy stone in a forest occupied by the Panjuli Divas, a deity that protect the villagers that resides in the forest. He donated a vast portion of land to the villagers in exchange to take the stone with him. Panjuli warned the king that he, family and successor should keep their word and not reclaim the land, which will incur the wrath of Panjuli's companions and forcefully spirit named Gulia Davis. 1970. The king descended asked a Bhuta Kola performer, who is proceeding by Panjuli to make the local hand over the land to him, which the performer refused, and instead the former which died vomiting blood if he tried to reclaim it. Descendant is split of the performer's possession by Panjuli, to which the performer replied he would vanish if he possessed. After which he ran into a forest and indeed never see again. As warned, the king's successor died mysterious vomiting blood a few months later on the step of the court, where he was going to argue the land case. 1990. Murli, a forest officer, is tasked to converting the villagers' land into a forest reserve. However, he is challenged by Shiva, a Kambala's athlete from the Kandukalu village, and the missing performer's son. Shiva is backed by his petition and the village's landlord Devendra Suttu, who was the king's descendant in the present. Although Shiva has repeatedly been asked to perform the Bhuta Kala, he refused due to trauma of his father's disappearance. Indeed, his cousin Goruva take his place. Murli and his staff start elected a fencing along the earmarked forest reserve, and Shiva fall in love with his friend Leela. He used his connection with Devendra to appoint her as a forest guard. The villagers tried to stop the fencing, but the police and forest guard, including Leela, brutally suppressed them and created a rift between Leela and Shiva. Even though she was following order, could be nothing about the situation. As the feud between Murli and Shiva intensified, Murli decided to arrest Shiva and his friend head to their hideout along the Devendra henchman Sudaka. During the search, Murli's jeep accidentally gets crushed by the trunk of a tree, which was cut by Shiva as a latter miscalculated the position of the jeep. While Murli survived with several injuries, Shiva and his companions go undercover to avoid arrest. A few days later, they return to the village to meet their family. Shiva make up and Leela and tell her that he will surrender. However, they are caused by the police, the forest guard to the next morning. Guruva asks Devendra to bail out Shiva, but during their conversation, Devendra tried to bribe him to impersonate Panjuris in the next Bhuta Kola and make the villagers hand over the land, revealing Devendra's true intention of accumulating his land from the villagers. Guruva refused to Devendra kill him, learning that Murli has figured out his ulterior motive. Devendra decided to set Shiva against Murli. Having learning about the Guruva's death, Shiva meet Devendra, who lied the Murli in Guruva's killer. Immersed, Shiva goes to kill Murli, but learn from his blacksmith friend Mahadeva that Devendra himself killed Guruva. While under the influence of drugs, Shiva is attacked by Devendra henchmen, but manage to escape and meet the villagers, whom Murli took about Devendra's land and seized. After the Shiva revealed that Devendra killed Guruva, He and Murli set aside their gochu and untied the village. Devendra and his henchmen attack learned it an intention battle where several of villagers are killed. After nearly dying in the fight, Shiva hit his head against Panjura's stone. Suddenly he became possessed by Guliga. Due to that possession, Shiva brutally killed Devendra and his henchmen. A few months after the battle, Shiva performed the Bhuta Kola and is possessed by Panjura.